How to open TikTok on mute. To get started, first of all, open up the TikTok application on your phone. You will then be taken to the TikTok homepage. On this page, go to the bottom right corner and tap on Profile. Here, you can edit and view your profile information. Now, go to the top right corner and tap on the 3 horizontal bars. Then tap on Settings and Privacy. Scroll down and tap on Playback. Here, enable Open TikTok on mute. Videos will now be muted by default when you open TikTok. You can tap to unmute them or use your device's volume controls. Following these steps, you can easily open TikTok on mute. Thank you for watching. Please leave a like if this tutorial helped you, or leave a comment below if you have any questions related to the video.